What is abstraction in OOP?
Abstraction is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that helps simplify complex systems. It means focusing on the essential features of an object while hiding unnecessary details. By using abstraction, developers can manage complexity more effectively, making code easier to understand, develop, and maintain.
How does abstraction work?
In object-oriented programming, abstraction is implemented through classes and interfaces. A class defines only the behaviors and characteristics relevant to what you need, without exposing the intricate inner workings. This lets developers use objects without needing to know the complex details of their implementation.
Real-world example, car abstraction.
Think of a car. When you drive, you use the steering wheel, pedals, and dashboard. This is the abstraction of the car. You do not need to understand how the engine or transmission works. In programming, abstraction works the same way, revealing only what's necessary to use an object.
Benefits of abstraction in software.
Abstraction offers several advantages. It reduces complexity, promotes code reusability, and makes programs easier to maintain. By hiding unnecessary details, it enables teams to collaborate better, as each programmer can work with simplified interfaces instead of dealing with every component's inner logic.
Abstraction in practice.
Popular programming languages like Java, Python, and C++ use abstraction through features like abstract classes and interfaces. These tools allow developers to specify what functions a class must provide, without dictating how they are performed. This helps keep code flexible, modular, and ready for future changes.